Miss Raymer,
Yeah.
what sound does a monkey make?
Mr. Scuds,
Yes.
what sound does a duck make?
Quack, 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 quack.
Miss Crumb,
Yes.
what sound does a horse make?
What sound does a horse make?
Yeah, a horsey.
I don't know. What's it doing?
Get horse girl energy.
Horse girl energy. Nay.
Oh, Miss Gorby,
Yes.
what sound does a polar bear make?
A polar bear. Let me think about this. I think it's kind of like a dinosaur, like.
Miss Sharp, what sound does a zebra make? I have no earthly idea. You don't? You've never seen Lion King?
Can you give us a little move, a little action?
Miss Healy, what sound does a lion make?
Mr. Bryson, what sound does Chewbacca make? Miss Ferguson, what sound does a cat make?
Miss Donnelly, what sound does a rat make?
Miss Do,
Hey, Miss McCauley, we have a question for you.
I will be happy to answer.
What sound does a pig make?
What sound does a pig make?
Uh-huh.
It makes an oink.
Miss Hoverman, what noise does a crow make?
Like,
Miss Sabbath, first of all, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Second of all, what sound does a frog make?
Ribbit.
Mr. Mosier, what noise does an elephant make?
Mrs. Hollis, what sound does a rooster make?
Miss Talone, what noise does a seal make? Miss Leisure,
What up?
what sound does a lizard make?
Ooh, what kind of lizard?
Your favorite lizard.
My favorite lizard? So, like, iguanas, they make this really weird noise. Like, well, they hiss for one reason, like get away from me, you know, like, I'm about to slap you with my tail. So that's a thing they do. But then they also do this, like, thing with their necks where they go like that a little bit. And then, like, you know, sometimes they go a little bit.
A little constipation.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like that a little bit, like to warn you that, you know what, I'm not feeling it. So they've got a lot of things to tell you, but the sounds aren't that great, but they're there.